Make a great choice today with the 2016 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.